Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. I am currently on a Hangouts call with Tom and Jaylene, and for some reason Tom is making even more weird noises. And it's like so loud, it's like... That's what he's doing, and I'm like, what the heck? Jaylene made this weird face that when the noises. It's too loud on my phone. You're gonna blow out the speaker on the phone. Well, even though it's meant for loud noise, so I don't think it'll blow out or anything. But Tom, stop making weird noise. Well, I'm eating a bag of troops at the moment, so I'm not hungry at the moment, but I'm still. Excuse me, still. What? What?
I'm saying this goes for me tomorrow. I'm going to homeroom tomorrow.
Did you say you're going to homeroom tomorrow?
I never went to homeroom. I suck. I never been to homeroom.
Wow, you're supposed to go to homeroom. That's like a you have to thing. No. I know live classes are optional, but that is a mandatory thing. You have to go to homeroom. Gosh. Someone who's skipping out of homeroom. That's not good. I go to homeroom every single time. I go to every single live class there is. I only skipped like maybe 2 classes once. So.
Really? I skipped like. I skipped my 8 o'clock a.m. one because I'm usually asleep, and I always take a nap before, like around like 1 or like 12, because I don't have classes around there. But on Tuesday and Thursday, I always forget about my modern world history.
Shame on you, Tom.
I blame my mother. Yo, Jaylene. Come here. Here we go.
Well, anyways, yeah, I hardly skip live classes. Even though I think they're optional, I was keeping them mandatory, but I still want to go to them.
No, they're optional.
Because they're a good review, because it's like watching the video lesson all over again, and they teach you to it more, and you have the moment to ask questions to the teachers if you are struggling on something or whatever. So, you should go to live class more, Tom. You should. So I'm not getting any response from Stephanie that if she vlogged or not today for Vlogmas Day 18. Oh no, that's my friend TJ texting me. But hopefully tomorrow she'll vlog for day 19. She's probably busy with something, or she's probably getting ready for bed or whatever. I don't even know. Yeah, hopefully she'll send her her Vlogmas video tomorrow. Or maybe she's not feeling well. She said before that I don't know, it depends if I feel well or not, because she has been feeling sick. I know she said that in the last vlog for Vlogmas Day 15. Tom, what are you doing? I'm on Skype with him. Oh my gosh, why are you... Pizza, you're messing me up here. But what was I saying before? Oh yeah, that she was sick. And she mentioned that in the last vlog, so yeah, hopefully she feels better and everything. I don't know when I'm gonna see her, because I have to give her Christmas stuff, her Christmas presents. So yeah, so I'm gonna end the vlog here for today. So thank you guys so much for watching this Vlogmas. Do not forget to subscribe for more if you didn't. And don't forget, that was a weird didn't. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And do not forget to also give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next Vlogmas. Bye.